How to clear cache in Etsy. In this video, I'm going to show you how I can remove all the temporary files. First of all, navigate to the place where the app is located. Now, simply tap and hold on to it. Here on the top, you can see this eye icon. Simply tap on this eye icon. So basically, we're in this app info. In other mobile devices, you can directly go to settings and open app info. Here on the right bottom, tap on clear data. Here there are two different options, clear all data or clear cache. Simply tap on clear cache and at last tap on OK. Now it will take some time, so all the temporary files are completely gone. Now you can restart the app and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.